With Quality Control Restoration you can get a free roof inspection to ensure your home is safe. Quality Control Restoration are offering post-winter inspections since sub-freezing weather can damage the roof. Regular inspections are important as part of correct, ongoing roof maintenance practice. Roof inspections can help customers to determine the best course of action to take with their roof. Quality Control Restoration has a highly trained team using the latest roofing technology to ensure a premium finish. They also provide expert storm damage repair solutions to protect your home. Get in touch today to discuss your roofing needs. Go to qualitycontrolrestoration.com to find out more.